This is CryptoCake Weekly Update with BitBoy Crypto.
Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week, the biggest news revolves around XRP getting hammered by the Securities and Exchange Commission. JP Morgan is more bullish than ever, and Bitcoin has now developed a new resistance level. We'll start with the price action for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reached $24,000 on the daily chart 5 consecutive days this week, but keeps retreating to the $23,000 level, sometimes reaching below to the support line of $22,500. The interesting thing is that all the fundamentals point to Bitcoin moving to a much higher number, including the fact that Greyscale just made another huge Bitcoin buy, gaining another 12,000 Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has been very stable with bullish action for months now, so there's probably no reason to suspect it will drop much soon. But of course, crypto is a funny market, so anything can happen, especially on a holiday weekend. The question is, how high can it go? Many analysts have weighed in, and numbers range from $50,000 all the way up to $500,000. But we now have our most bullish prediction yet, and it comes to us from an extremely surprising source, JP Morgan. The number they're coming up with is a crazy $650,000 prediction. This is based upon a lot of different factors, none of which are the predictions of crypto YouTubers. The interesting thing about JP Morgan's predictions is that they say they believe that if Bitcoin can keep drawing investors and increasing its market share, the ultimate place it can end up will be having a matching market cap with gold. That's right. Finally, people are waking up to the fact that Bitcoin is at least equivalent, if not dominantly superior, to gold. But the biggest news of the week is obviously XRP getting hit with a lawsuit from the SEC. The SEC laid down the gauntlet to Ripple Labs. Ripple itself, CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder Chris Larsen are all facing a civil action from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The claim is that the XRP token sale was actually a security and they did not register with the SEC. This could have huge reverberating effects on the world of cryptocurrency. Many precedents will be set during this case that will have lasting impacts on crypto. Only time will tell, but for now, the price of XRP is getting destroyed. Looking for a bottom feels like staring into a bottomless pit. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. I'm BitBoy Crypto, signing off. See you next week. Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week has been all bull flags and euphoria for crypto enthusiasts around the world, as Bitcoin has officially surpassed its all-time highs across the board. We are seeing institutional investors flock to Bitcoin like never before, and investment analysts are continually increasing their predictions of where they believe the price of Bitcoin will go in the future. The price of Bitcoin has cut through several major resistance points recently, surpassing the key $21,000 to $22,000 resistance range. The $21,000 level was particularly important for Bitcoin to continue its rally in the near term. Exchange heat maps showed stacked sell orders at around $21,000 to $21,500, which meant BTC's price had to break through those to see a broader uptrend. Now that it is clear that range, exchange heat maps show no visible resistance levels or areas with large sell orders above $22,000. In short, this means the probability of BTC to continue its rally is very high. On-chain analyst Willy Woo stated, "We are not at the all-time high juncture where the BTC top cap model starts curving upwards. Let's see how high she runs in 2021. 100K is a ridiculously low target at the current trajectory. 55K is the next landmark. Then Bitcoin becomes a $1 trillion macro asset bucket." Many traditional investors and analysts have been closely watching the 55K mark for some time, because this would mean BTC would have hit 10% of gold's market cap. Currently, gold's valuation is estimated to be around $9 trillion. Above $50,000, Bitcoin would begin eating up a relatively large portion of the market cap of gold, which remains the dominant safe haven asset at this time. However, most in the crypto world are now calling for a $30,000 Bitcoin in the short term, and a rally to as high as $250,000 by the end of 2021. For now, however, the asset is primed for attracting new money into the space, with individuals like Antony Trinchev, the co-founder of Nexo, stating the newfound prices would lead to new media narratives and, in turn, more retail participants. Currently, most of the interest has been coming from the institutional players. That's right, the mythical Wall Street firms have taken notice and are now rushing into the crypto sector. Scott Minerd, the head of Guggenheim Investments, said in an interview that Bitcoin's scarcity combined with rampant money printing by the U.S. Federal Reserve meant the asset could see a price of $400,000. Minerd said, Bitcoin has a lot of the attributes of gold, and at the same time has an unusual value in terms of transactions. He also added that Guggenheim first decided to invest in Bitcoin when the asset was trading in the $10,000 range, and have enjoyed a 100% rise since. As per a Bloomberg report, Guggenheim Partners LLC recently stated it might invest up to 10% of its $5.3 billion macro opportunities fund in a Bitcoin trust. The firm said it was targeting Greyscale's Bitcoin Trust product, or GBTC, for its exposure to the rising asset. Greyscale Trust is now the largest cryptocurrency asset management firm in the world, with more than $14 billion in crypto assets being managed. The company holds more than 569,000 Bitcoin, along with nearly 946,000 Litecoin. The crypto asset manager has reported a rise in Ethereum-related investment products, and this trend has been evident in recent days as Greyscale accumulated more than 359,000 ETH in just the last 30 days. Greyscale now has more than 2.94 million Ethereum with a total value of $1.84 billion. Wow. The firm mentioned that Ethereum first and Ethereum only investors are growing, and Wall Street has started to consider ETH as an important asset. So, with traditional investors adopting Bitcoin and Ethereum like never before, and retail investors flocking in behind them, it looks like 2021 is setting up to be a banner year for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. I'm BitBoy Crypto, signing off. See you next week.